everyone. Myself Umang Sarpal, your maths teacher, and today I am going to explain you addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. And today I will also explain you the commutative and associative property of integers. So we start. First property is commutative property of addition. What? Commutative property, I just write in short, of addition. What commutative property of addition says? Commutative property of addition says that A plus B is equal to B plus A. Means if we change the order of integers in addition, then the answer will be same. How? Suppose A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. So what the answer will come? 5. What? 5. Like this. B 3, A 2, 3 plus 2, 5. Both are same. So if we change the order of integer in addition, then the answer will remain same. So this is the commutative property of addition. Like commutative property of addition, there is a property of multiplication also. What? Commutative property of multiplication. There are also two integers. One is A and one is B. Here is the property of addition. So what we will do? Add. Here is the property of multiplication. So what will we do? Multiply. Same property. If we change the order of integers, then answer will be same. So A into B is equal to B into A. And now what is A? 2. What is B? 3. 2 into 3? 6. Like this. B 3. A 2. 3 to the 6. Same. Okay. Clear? So this is commutative property of multiplication, which says that if we change the order of integers in multiplication, then answer will remain same. Okay. Now second property. Now we will take second property in which you have a problem in previous lesson. Okay. Associative property of addition. What associative property of addition says? Same thing like a commutative property. Only one thing will be added. What? That there are 3 integers. How many integers? 3. A plus B and plus C. So first we will take 2 integers together in a bracket. A plus B plus C. The answer will remain same if we change the order of integers. Now we will take out A and inside the bracket we will take B and C. Now see. Let A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 5. So as per the simplification and BODMAS, what we will do? First we will solve the bracket. So 2 plus 3, 5, plus 5, and what will come? 10. See here, A, what is A? 2. B, 3. C, 5. What will we do first? First we will solve the bracket. So 2 plus 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Same. So it proves the associative property of addition with 3 integers. Like associative property of addition, there is one more property of associative is known as multiplicative property of addition. See, associative property of multiplication. Same 3 integer, but what will we do here? Not addition. Here we will do multiplication. So see how A into B, and outside the bracket the third integer is C. Now A is outside the bracket and B into C inside the bracket. Here is a multiplication, which is the property of integers. So A 2, B 3 and C 5. A what? 2. B what? 3 and C 5. Clear? Now see, first we will solve the bracket. 2 3s are 6. 6 into 5. That means 30. Like this. 2 into 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. So answer is same or not? Same now? If they are same, so it follows the associative property of multiplication. Clear? Clear? Good. Now, here is one more property. Here is one more property known as repeated. You know repeat? बार बार repeat हो ना? Repeated addition. What? Repeated addition. There is a number 2. Okay? Repeated addition. Repeat क्या हो रहा है? 2. Once again repeat. Once again repeat. Once again repeat. And once again repeat. So if a number is repeat too many times in the process of addition, then what will we do? We will multiply that number. We will multiply that number by the number of time it will repeat it. How many times this number will repeat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 2 is repeated here. So we will multiply 2 by 6. 2 6 are 12. Now add these numbers. 2 to 4, 4 and 2, 6, 6 and 2, 8, 8 and 2, 10, 10 and 2, 12. 12 will come or not? Yes, no? So we can find the answer also. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. So these both are same. So it is a repeated addition. Okay, we can do this property by 3 also, 4 also, any number, but the same number, that number what we have taken, that number will be repeat too many times. So it is known as repeated addition. Clear? Now, after the repeated addition, there is one more property, and this property is very important to us because this property will repeat in next class also. What is that property? distributive property. What? Distributive property of multiplication. I just write in the short, multiplication over addition. So what is the distributive property of multiplication over addition? Means in this property there are two signs. One is a multiply sign and one is a add sign. See, distributive property of multiplication over addition says that A into bracket B plus C. If we will open this bracket, then how can we open this bracket? We have to multiply this A by B and also multiply the A by C. हम यहाँ पर A की मल्टीप्लाई B से भी करेंगे और A की मल्टीप्लाई C से भी करेंगे और दोनों के बीच में कौन सा साइन आएगा? प्लस. C. This means A into B. A की मल्टीप्लाई B से. Then which sign will come? Plus. Then multiply of A with C. A into C. So this is a distributive property of multiplication over addition. See example. Suppose A is equal to 2. I just take a same numbers 2, 3 and 5. It is easy to understand. But you can, if you want, you can take any other numbers. Okay. So 2 into B 3, C 5. Okay. So if we have to solve this answer, so first we will solve the bracket. 5 plus 3, 8 into 2. 2 8 ja 16 answer will come. So now see, this is follow this rule or not. So this means A into B, 2 into 3, okay, plus 2 into 5, 2 into 3, 2 into 5. Okay. Now tell me, according to simplification, what will we do first? Multiply or add? Everyone know? First we will do multiply, because what is the rule? DMAS. D-M-A-S. First we will divide, then multiply, then add, and then subtract. So here is a multiplication and addition. What will come first? Multiplication. So first we will multiply. So now see, 2 3 is 6 plus 2 5 is 10. Now add 6 and 10. What will come? 16. Answer is same. So this rule is followed. Clear? Now like this, there is one more property. Distributive property of multiplication. Same. Distributive property of multiplication. But what is different? This distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Not addition. Subtraction. Now see. Distributive property of multiplication. I just write in short, multiplication over subtraction. Same, half thing is same. Distributive property of multiplication. That means we will here multiply. But instead of addition, what will we do? Subtraction. Now see. A into B plus C की जगह what will we do? B minus C. B minus C. So now see, what will we do then? A is equal to A into B minus A into B minus A into C. A into C. Clear? A into B minus A into C. Now see. But here we have to see one thing. What is that thing? The number which we have taken B is greater than C. Is greater than C. Then this property will follow here. Otherwise this property will not follow. So now see, A is equal to 2. Now here we will take B 5. What? 5. And C we will take 3. C we will take as a 3. Because if we not take the first number B greater than C, then this property will not follow. Clear? Now, according to this property, 2 multiply by 5 and 2 multiply by 3. So 2 into 5. And what sign will come in between them? Minus. 2 into 3. Clear? Then, first we will solve only this part. First we will solve this part. 2 into, solve the bracket according to BODMAS. So 5 minus 3, 2. And 2 to the 4. Now see, what is this answer? What will we do first? Multiply or subtract? Multiply. What? Multiply. So 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 10 minus 6, 4. Answer is same or not? Same. But what thing you have to keep in your mind? You have to take B greater than C. Then this property will be followed. Otherwise, no. Clear? Thank you for today's session. And today you just keep down this thing, all the things in your mind. And please note down these all the properties in your notebook. This will help you to solve the exercise questions. Thank you and have a nice day.